Hi, I'm Jodi-Anne, a wellbeing educator and healing facilitator. I've channeled over 100 answers to questions about life. These have been recorded through automatic writing, answering a broad range of questions about life and how it works, and how we can be peaceful and happy. Today's topic is, how do you know when leaving is your best option? Join me as we explore this topic and go deep within to heal and find peace. Many of you on the healing path are committed to loving fully. You do your best to love unconditionally and to accept those around you as they are. You may try to ignore when people behave in less than ideal ways and try to love them through it, knowing that they're only lashing out, shutting down, being moody, or whatever it is, because they're hurting inside. You know that love heals all things, and so you shine your love at the person, hoping it will help them to shift out of their stuckness and back to happiness. This is honourable, but you shouldn't keep doing it to your own detriment. Each individual has to feel their emotional pain into completion. They have to make the effort to go within, feel it, embrace their younger selves that are hurting, and to help free them from the pain and welcome them into their heart. No amount of your love can do that for your partner. The individual has to do the work to heal. If they don't, all that you're doing is lifting them up slightly, but then they're going to fall back down again. They have to, in order to go into their pain and process it. Life is going to keep bringing them challenging situations to get them to feel, to heal, and release the past. If they try to avoid it or blame others for their circumstances, they're just prolonging the misery. We know that you want to help them through it, but you can't do it for them. By staying, all that you're doing is exhausting yourself, and you're having your vibration lowered by their dense energy and moods, and the impact of that on you and your ability to enjoy your life. Yes, the other is an innocent soul that's hurting. That's true. We understand that you want to look after them, help them, and care for them. But if they're not looking after themselves, not honoring who they are and making the effort to heal, then sadly, you're wasting your time. You are better off to leave and let your vibration rise higher and shine your light wherever you go, knowing that it benefits all. And those that do want to heal, who want to go within and do the work to free themselves, they're going to uplift you, inspire you, and cheer you up as they progress. You benefit from helping them, as it fills you with joy to see their progress, to see them getting happier and more fulfilled. So it's a win-win situation, and both are benefiting. You don't have to stay connected to people whose energy or behavior drains you. You owe it to yourself and to those that you work with to leave so that you can shine more brightly for all. Yes, the person may struggle and drop further into their pain if you leave, but that's not your fault or your responsibility. It's actually your gift to them, as it's going to help them to feel and release their pain. It may be the catalyst that they need to help them move forward. So trust your inner guidance. Trust the universe to look after the other person if you do go. Trust that everything happens for the benefit of both parties. Trust you'll both be led forth to your next adventure, to the next scenario, to deepen your growth. Don't hold yourself in pain out of love and loyalty. Sometimes relationships are meant to end and you are meant to go. You will know the truth of this in your heart. You just have to find the courage to go within, to listen to your heart, to hear what it tells you, accept it, and act upon it. Honor yourself and shine your light for the good of all. Thank you for watching this short video on how do you know when leaving is your best option. I hope you found it interesting and insightful. It's my aim to empower people with the skills and knowledge to walk their healing journeys as gently and peacefully as possible. There are over 100 of these answers to questions about life available for free on the Life Insights page of my website. Please visit to learn more about the healing journey and ways to live peacefully and happily. Have a great day. Bye.